famous love, CaityB back and rebooting with another reaction video with MommaB. I'm going to be doing a face-off for you guys today. So we're going to be reacting to Ms. BIZZY5TH, No Kit Kat, and we're also going to be reacting to Melbourne group or artist. So REN, Come Correct feat. Rey De7. Let's go. And thank you to everyone that's requested for either one of these two songs. Appreciate it heaps, fam. Yeah. And our Poly businesses as well. I'll have these in the description box below if you guys are keen to check these guys out. Get you guys some gear. So Doc also and Stunner. And my earrings by Under the Bird. So I'm trying to, you know, not turn my face because these pimples are crazy. Alright, let's go, fam. Been seeing this all over Instagram, man. Yeah, mine. Oh, look, man, way. Best bakery over there, mate.
You made this?
You made it?
Cause we in the game, never walk around, I'll walk straight. We've been away from the chit chat and no breaks here, no Kit Kat. Tell them the name. This is BIZZY5TH from that 5th Street. Got our black on black with our pro club, stay freshened up like minty. We rolling out, seats loaded up, come to wipe out. Every hitter got every woman try to play now like it's time out. But it's time now to set it off. If they coming in, check the kettle off. They want beef, I got hands that'll hold them down like 6 o'clock. Till it's 10 o'clock. I get buddy off the V5, she get runny in between 5. Check more numbers with less men, never folding up at the front line. Gotta hit first, how the game go. Really make the hits when I say so. No games though, hasta luego. Always on foot for the KO. We make moves, sinking booze. House on house, them boys on snooze. Tuck no towels, we're ones on twos. Spray them dogs, no Jimmy twos. From SA, we run the muck. 275, we coming up. No fools here, we call them blush. When I walk my talk, then that's enough. We make moves, sinking booze. House on house, them boys on snooze. Tuck no towels, we're ones on twos. Spray them dogs, no Jimmy twos. From SA, we run the muck. 275, we coming up. No fools here, we call them blush. When I walk my talk, then that's enough. Commotion with the team. Leave only busy on their scene. If I teach enemies like a sermon, then I'm pulling up in that German. From SA, no Middle East. Still feed the hungry like a fiend. Cause I'm trying to get at the cheese. If I leave that boy on the Welsh, then I leave that boy with the leaves. Bonham was just pop too. That 7-5 they slumped too. Remember way back them days that any bystander gets stumped too. That was after school with the savages. 5 O's couldn't manage this. Come Wickman way with a fight set. If they send them free, we send them right back. Sneaking all the way up to your bitches like out of her house I be dipping. I told every hater listen. All my boys still on it, all my boys still win. From SA we rep that. Every name I live with a rest that. Fuck a sit back, who we less that? Cause I'm taking over like a step that.
What school's that?
It looks like SCC.
Southern Cross?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because it looks sort of like back when, because I used to go Southern Cross for like a little trophy. Yeah. Damn.
I thought I saw a guy holding a Wesley College blazer.
Yeah, I was a bit confused. Like, and then they're walking behind SCC where the bakery is. So I was like, oh, it must be SCC. Yeah.
It's a pretty good bakery. Must that be?
Oh, look, bad one those there.
So you got bad one, you got the 274 crew.
Dang.
Unity.
We make moves, sinking booze. Out there, boys on snooze. Tuck no towels, we're ones on twos. Spray them dogs, no Jimmy twos. From SA, we run the muck. 275, we coming up. No fools here, we call them blush. When I walk my talk, then that's enough. We make moves, sinking booze. House on house, them boys on snooze. Tuck no towels, we're ones on twos. Spray them dogs, no Jimmy twos. From SA, we run the muck. 275, we coming up. No fools here, we call them blush. When I walk my talk, then that's enough.
It's Mango Town, so now.
What do you mean they run amok? Just running. No, look.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, don't have end of rough it went back. Ooh.
And the next one.
Okay fam, so now we're gonna be reacting to to Real REN. They're from Cranbourne, so that's south side. Yep.
South side Melbourne.
South side of Melbourne,
Past where the HP boys are from.
We haven't been around there much, but...
We've been to Cranbourne.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Oh. New faces. That beat sort of sounds like an HPBA or something. That
HPBA?
No, HPB.
Oh.
Do you know that song? Oh, I can't remember what song it was.
Oh.
The recent one, Moves.
No.
It sounds like Moves, sort of.
Come correct, just out here trying to get my checks. I ain't got time for all of that beef, but if they want me, they can get next. They don't want next. We hit that play and stop that chat. We don't forget, we want that back.
Looks like he's running out of breath.
Older,
yeah.
they're more mature these days.
Come correct, pussy, we know what's up next. I studied the game and putting in work, so now if you test me, I'm gonna pass like magic. Don't fade like Dirk and we rip our turf, but I handle that heat like Mavericks. Flare like Wick and flow like Biggs, so don't come slick. Military press bars over your head, probably don't understand it. See, I rap facts, I'm a lyric killer, I ain't no driller. But of course, suppose my brothers, there ain't no love, you can get rocked, no remorse. Not that whip, not that flex, not that showing that you got balls. That loyalty falls, goes above any of these laws. If bro's got Addy of any flops, if owns the boys, we gotta gun it straight to them dogs. If that's my blood, ain't no choice. Who's saying they rep 7 like Doncic? Ren's the rookie of the year, they talk about gear and their brothers be on shit. Stop with the nonsense, come correct, just out here trying to get.
What'd you get by that? I thought he meant, I don't know, I'm thinking he meant, like he said, stop with the nonsense, stop with the drugs and all that shit. Come correct.
He's not drilling, but... Oh, he said something about not drilling, but he's...
We're so absent-minded.
Oh my gosh, man. Honestly, I'm going to get dementia.
I'll be absent-minded for my year. Damn it.
At least we're
My
nice.
chicks, I ain't got time for all of that beef, but if they want me, they can get next. They don't want next, we hit that play, they stop.
Can I just say their voices are different? I don't know what it is.
Is
Especially
it-
the first guy rapping, he sounds like, I don't know, like he doesn't want to rap or something. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I don't know. Their voices are different. The first guy, his voice is really unique.
Like there's no bass in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sounding? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if it... Or
Was
his
it
voice is just
auto-tuned
really...
kind of thing?
No, oh, not really.
I don't know.
I think his voice is... I don't know how to explain it.
High and
This
sharp.
guy's voice is... got that husky, like... Oh, I don't know what it is.
My voice is husky.
Not husky. Yeah, his voice is... Yeah, they're both of their voices are just different.
I'll hear it again.
Stop that chat, we don't forget, we want that back, come correct. Pussy, we know what's up next.
Sound engineer.
Come correct, I hear them whispering about my rep. Say that rent ain't really the truth. Till you come around and get blessed, who wants next? It's up to galore when you wanna do more. I see them bridging up behind fake accounts to the spot, they don't want more. No, no, no. It's double live for the 7 and you know I stay legit. Always real to the bone. Same time I'll be giving them rappers fits. Feeling like Shelby, don't worry, I hold it down for my squad. Think of 50-50, no chance. I'm 100 when it comes to my blood. I ain't got time for it. No time they clap, they lie for it. Pull up and fold. Trust me, my son, we gon' ride for it. Come try this shit. That's easy money when you chat. Knowing that you got the boys in the back. But when you're on your own, now you're 10 toes. Got miles is here, never lack. Come correct. Just out here trying to get my checks. I ain't got time for all of that beef. But if they want me, they can get next. They don't want next. We hit that play. They stop that chat. We don't for.
They're really stiff, eh?
Come
Really
at me.
stiff. Yeah.
That's what they're doing there, calling them out.
Come correct. Yeah, they're quite stiff.
We want that back. Come correct. Pussy. We don't want some next. I avoid them pigs like Muslims. No, I ain't no criminal. I got plans in effect. Excuse my French. It's all the way up till we reach that pinnacle. Gonna use my head to get them goals like Cahill. We come through clinical, so don't come in correct and say it's our fault. Lads just chat and fold, chat and fold. Say what you see and bold. They run their mouths and leg it, but them statements false. Forget them. Forget them. I come with the heat when they're talking that beef. You know, just kick back when I speak. Some of these cats, they talk at their chest, they still don't even know what war is. You want that? I make that one phone call, get 50 lads in the back, tell me what's that? This is silent for all the moles, I put all of it on the line.
Pull all the what?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to think. I was like, is it the accent or put all the lead on the line?
Oh, what is he? Put all his bits on the line. Oh, fuck's sake.
Put all of it on the line.
Pour all of it.
I put all of it on the line.
All of it.
Yeah, all of it.
Oh. Wow.
Put all of it on the line.
I love to ride a bike.
That looks pretty nice, that shot. What did you think of Real Ren Come Correct feat Rey De7?
So Real Ren is the main guy.
Yeah, has to be.
Okay. From Cranbourne.
Yep.
Melbourne.
Australia.
It's different. I think it's almost like the same vibe I got from BIZZY5TH. Like, they're not...
It's not... It just needs a bit of...
more aggressiveness.
Yeah, more aggressive. Because what we're used to seeing here, it's totally different where everyone's a bit more, at least a bit more aggressive with their things. These guys are more calm and...
Yeah.
Like, even... Was it Rey De7? He was a bit quite awkward and stiff when making his lyrics and stuff.
It's just but the same vibe.
Yeah, same vibe.
Same vibe as the younger guys in BIZZY5TH. Just felt like waiting for that.
Yeah, that
thing. Just
boom. Oh, come on, man, hit me in the face, you know.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was okay. It was good. I'm thinking along the lines of them calling out those who are talking and about them and backstabbing or whatever.
They
come
don't
at them,
talk smack, they're the truth. Yeah, basically that Brisbane vibe where they give off less talk and more action, you know, or walk the talk.
Yes, that's what we like.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, you couldn't tell by my stance.
Yeah, it's just...
Yeah.
Just needed more.
Yeah, just... But hopefully on the next song we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
I'll be keen to see,
once
like,
you get
they'll learn from it.
yeah,
Once it's always the first song that will be really hard, so it is quite hard to judge if it is their first track for both guys. It would be quite hard to rate or...
React to.
Rate.
I'll give Real Ren a 7.
7? Yeah, I think I'll give it a 6. Maybe. Or what did you think of No Kit Kat by BIZZY5TH?
That's good. They're quite young. Probably still in school.
No.
The majority.
I think they've finished.
Are they? They look really young. I hope they find their niche. I mean, like, as in... It got me because I always love seeing Home.
Yeah.
You would love it too. Just seeing Home and, like... It's almost like I just bypassed them just trying to see whereabouts they are. Because
a lot of the streets are familiar. I don't know if it was Tennessee or something that looked familiar. Like
I think it was near Middlemore.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
We used to go to get sausage. Yeah. That butchers. It didn't look like it was butchers, it was like a laundromat.
Yeah, Mad Butchers,
Mad Butchers, yeah. I've got that. Great? Oh no, it's not great. It's like the next one.
So what did you rate it? Well, what did you rate it? What do you rate it?
Probably because I didn't get a lot of good bars or anything, because I was just like, what is he talking about? Then I started like zoning out a bit, but it is a good song. I like the beat. I just wish there was more oomph and like the way he was rapping to really make the beat his, because it sounded like I don't know. But I'll give it a 6. I think I'll give it a 6, but keep it up, bro. Can't wait to see what other stuff you have.
Well, I actually thought it was they almost like Bad One.
Yeah.
That drill.
That type of feel felt like
the Kiwi vibe to it. It's good. It was a majority. They're all brown boys. Yeah. The brothers in there. Because I just went with the title, and the title said No Kit Kat, so no break. So I'm assuming he's talking about there's no break in this genre. You just gotta smash it out, be on the grind. I like that. It's not too bad.
Yeah, the visuals aren't too bad.
I'm older, so I'm sure that your generation would think, oh man, this is
sicky.
Yeah, poly movement.
Poly movement.
Keep it up. Yeah. All we can say is all the best.
Yeah. We'll still be supporting you all the way.
Yeah. Have to.
Yeah, of course. I mean,
Have to.
I love to see the journey.
Yeah.
Especially this being his first song, so.
First.
Yeah. So it's pretty good for a first song. It's not bad for a first song.
I can't wait to see more from both.
Yeah, I know. I just want them to hurry up and drop another track so I can
It's
get
usually-
more of their feel later.
It's usually the case, isn't it? Like,
yeah, always
when like the ones that we've reacted to usually start off a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's good once you get out there. Like,
Yeah.
like we can
You
only
get
ask you
comfortable
guys
with-
just to, you know, poly
Poly
movement, subscribe to them and like their videos and share it. And it'll give them more confidence.
Yeah.
Confidence just for their next vid.
So I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction to both these songs. Let us know what you thought of the two songs and which one you like better and what you thought of our reaction. Not the greatest reaction, especially from me, but hey, we're back in the beginning.
Well, yeah, and just
Back to
share
you.
some insight.
Yeah, share some insight, just educate us a bit more. Because despite me keeping tabs on this BIZZY5TH, with my memory I feel like I've already just forgotten. But yeah, thank you heaps fam, thank you again to everyone that's requested, and yeah, much love fam, please stay safe.
Please stay safe out
we know
there.
a lot of places are going on lockdown.
Yeah,
especially
stage
recently.
3 coming up, I think.
Yeah, and it's safer that way, you know, you don't want it. Yeah, just stay indoors fam, don't be a cool guy, don't be evil Knievel, and you know, it's not cool. But yeah fams, much love, stay safe, and see you on the next video. Bye. Stinky bomb. Oh,
You didn't do it. No, it's too late. No,
Three-
I only do it once.
3, 2, 1.